back to CIF. In 1993, our national board undertook the production of a historical documentary called Separate Lives, Broken Dreams, about immigration experience and separation of families. As a matter of fact, we had a couple of those showings in the same room with our youth council and the community. Bank of America at that time gave the national organization $50,000, and we would find a way of accepting the money by creating a 501c3 group. And that's why the National CACA Community Involvement Fund was formed at the national level. The CIF is a federal 501c3. It also is an umbrella for the local